Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of handheld sewing machines, and we have a real gem for you: the stitch gun for clothes. If you're looking for the best portable, handheld sewing machine that can handle quick fixes, hemming, and more, this is the product you need. It's compact, easy to use, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just someone who needs a quick fix, this stitch gun is your new best friend. Now, let's talk about the features that make this product stand out. First, the stitch gun for clothes is designed for anyone who wants to get their clothing repairs done fast. No more scrambling to find a needle and thread. It works wonders on various fabrics, including wool, denim, polyester, and even quilts. While it's not ideal for delicate fabrics like silk, it's perfect for your everyday materials. Whether you're dealing with a ripped sleeve or need to hem your pants, this stitch gun does it all with ease. What sets this stitch gun apart from others on the market is its upgraded 5mm fine needle. This needle ensures almost invisible stitching, meaning your fixes are durable but discreet. This is ideal for clothing repairs that you want to look neat and professional without the visible stitching marks that other machines often leave behind. Plus, the fasteners it uses come in both black and white, so they blend into your clothing seamlessly. With 1,000 black fasteners and 1,000 white fasteners included, you'll have enough to last for a long time. This stitch gun also comes with a set of 6 stainless steel needles that are sharp and smooth, easily passing through fabric without snagging or causing damage. The ergonomic design makes it easy and comfortable to use, even during extended periods, which is perfect for those longer repair jobs. And, with a small, lightweight build, it's portable enough to take with you wherever you go, so you'll always be prepared for clothing emergencies. One of the best things about this stitch gun is its versatility. It's not just for clothing repairs. You can also use it for various other projects, like altering curtains, sewing patches, or even fixing seams in your favorite denim jacket. It's a great tool for anyone who enjoys sewing, whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner. Finally, let's talk about the ease of use. The stitch gun is a manual, hand-powered tool, meaning you don't need to worry about plugging it in or dealing with complicated settings. It's simple and effective. Just load it with a needle, insert the fasteners, and you're good to go. It's that easy to get the job done quickly and efficiently. In conclusion, the stitch gun for clothes is the ultimate portable handheld sewing machine for those who need quick, reliable, and neat clothing fixes. It's durable, lightweight, and packed with features that make it perfect for all kinds of fabric repairs. Whether you're a seasoned tailor or just someone who needs a fast solution for everyday clothing issues, this stitch gun will save you time and effort. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and if you want to stay updated on the best products out there, don't forget to subscribe.